In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a group chat in Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to open your Slack workspace. This is where all the magic happens. If you haven't already, log into your Slack account dashboard. You have the option to launch Slack through the desktop application, or you can click on Use Slack in your browser to continue online. It's really up to your personal preference. Now, once you have your workspace up and running, take a look at the left-hand sidebar of your screen. There, you'll see a section labeled Direct Messages. Right next to that section, there's a handy little plus sign that we're going to click on. This is the starting point for our group chat. After clicking the plus sign, you'll notice a search field appear on your screen. Here's where the fun begins. You're going to type in the names of the workspace members you want to include in your group chat. As you type, Slack will pull up a list of people that match. Just click on their names to select them, and you can add as many members as you'd like to the conversation. Once you've got all your group members selected, it's time to officially activate the group chat. Slack needs that initial message to establish the group chat properly. So this part is crucial. Click on the text box at the bottom of the screen and type in your first message. It can be something simple like, "Hey guys, this is our new group chat," or anything else you want to kick off the conversation. After you've typed your message, just hit send, and there you go. You've just created a group chat in Slack. It will now be saved in your sidebar for easy access later on. When you're in a busy workspace, this functionality can make a world of difference when you want to communicate in a small group without flooding the main channels. Remember, setting up group chats can help streamline your communication, especially if you're working in teams on projects or need quick feedback from colleagues. If you experience any issues during this process, don't hesitate to go back and troubleshoot. Slack has a great support community and resources available if you need extra help or tips. Plus, with your new group chat, you can easily keep track of conversations pertinent to specific projects or themes without sifting through tons of messages in the main channels. All right, so that wraps up our little tutorial on creating a group chat in Slack. Now you're equipped with another tool to enhance your communication within your team. If you found this video helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you could give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to stay up